today, we're going to take a magical journey without even leaving our seats. Are you ready to discover the power of your mind and find a calm, peaceful place inside you? First, find a comfortable spot where you can sit or lie down. Make sure it's a place where you feel safe and cozy, maybe on your sofa, in your bed, or on a beanbag on the floor. Now close your eyes. Don't worry, it's meant to be dark in there. If you don't like to close your eyes, that's okay too. Instead, you can just keep looking at one object for this meditation, maybe a teddy bear or a cushion. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Then breathe out slowly through your mouth. Let's do that again. Deep breath in through your nose. And gently breathe out through your mouth. One more time. Breathe in and out. As you breathe deeply, keep your eyes closed and imagine that you are stepping into a magical forest. The ground under your feet is soft and covered with leaves that rustle and crunch with each step you take. Feel the warmth of the sun as it filters through the tall trees, creating patterns of light and shadow all around you. The sunlight feels warm on your skin, like a gentle, comforting hug from the sun. Take another deep breath in and smell the fresh, earthy scent of the forest. It's a mix of pine, fresh leaves, and the cool, damp earth. It smells very clean and natural. As you walk deeper into the forest, you hear the sounds of birds chirping cheerfully in the trees. Listen to their songs. Each one is different, a sweet melody that fills the air with music. Some of the birds are singing high up in the trees, and some are chirping from bushes close by. Try to listen to one bird's song and follow it with your ears until it blends into the chorus of the forest. Look around you. The forest is full of life. There are tall trees reaching up into the sky, their leaves whispering to each other in the gentle breeze. Notice all the different types of trees. Some have smooth, white bark, while others are dark and rough. Each tree is unique, just like each one of us. Now, find a spot under a big, friendly tree and sit down on the soft forest floor. Lean back against the tree trunk and feel its strength supporting you. Close your eyes again in this safe, peaceful place, and take a few more deep breaths. In through your nose, and out through your mouth. In and out. Feel the forest breathing with you. As you breathe in, imagine the forest is alive, sharing its fresh air with you. As you sit quietly, imagine that you can feel the warmth of the sun on your face and arms. The sun is like a gentle, golden light, washing over you with warmth and comfort. Feel the light relaxing your face, shoulders, and arms. It's as if the sunlight is melting away any worries or fears, leaving you calm and peaceful. In this beautiful forest, you are safe and protected. you are surrounded by nature's beauty and the warmth of the sun. Here, you can let go of all your thoughts and just be peaceful and calm. Imagine that every breath you take is filling you with this calmness, spreading peace from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. Now, think of the animals that might be living in the forest. Maybe there's a gentle deer nearby, watching curiously with big, soft eyes. Perhaps there's a fluffy squirrel, hopping from branch to branch, busy gathering nuts. Imagine these animals are your friends, sharing the forest with you. They are peaceful and happy, living in their natural home. One of these animals comes right up to you. It is a wise, friendly animal who has a special message just for you. It tells you that you are strong, brave, and loved, always. Take a moment to send a silent wish to all the animals in the forest, wishing them happiness and safety in their homes. Imagine your wish spreading like the sunlight through the trees, reaching every creature, big and small. As you continue to sit under your tree, feel how the sun slowly moves across the sky. The patterns of light and shadow change around you, dancing on the leaves and the ground. Everything in the forest is peaceful, and you are a part of this peace. You feel connected to every tree, every beam of sunlight, and every chirping bird. When you're ready, slowly bring your attention back to the room where you started. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. Take one last deep breath in, bringing back a piece of the forest's calm with you, and breathe out gently. Remember, this peaceful forest is always here in your imagination, ready to welcome you back whenever you need it. If you enjoyed our meditation today and would like to go on more adventures like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more mindful meditations.